Advent of Code 2022, Day 9. This rope bridge creaks as you walk along it. You aren't sure how old it is, or whether it can even support your weight. It seems somewhere else just fine. You step carefully as you do certain twists. You decide to distract yourself by modeling rope physics. Maybe you can even figure out where not to step. Consider rope and not at each end. Do not mark the head and the tail of the rope. If the head moves far enough from the tail is pulled toward the head. Due to the nebulous reasoning involving Planck lengths, you should be able to model the position of the knots on a two-dimensional grid. By following a hypothetical series of motions, you'll puzzle, but for the head, you can determine how the tail will move. Due to the aforementioned Planck lengths, the rope must be quite short. In fact, the head and tail must always be touching. If the head is ever 2 steps directly up, down, left, or right from the tail must also move 1 step in that direction so it remains close enough. Otherwise, if the head and tail aren't touching and aren't in the same row or column, the tail always moves 1 step diagonally to keep up. You just need to work out where the tail goes as the head follows in a series of motions. Assume the head and the tail both start at the same position, overlapping. For example, in a series of motions, the head moves. Motions move the head right 4 steps, then up 4 steps, then left 3 steps, then down 1 step, and so on. After each step, you'll need to update the position of the tail if the step means the head is no longer adjacent to the tail. Visually, these motions occur as follows. After simulating the rope, you count up all the positions the tail visited at least once. In this diagram, S again marks the starting position which the tail also visited, and hash mark marks other positions the tail visited. So there are 13 positions the tail visited at least once. Simulate your complete hypothetical series of motions. How many positions does the tail of the rope visit at least once? Okay. So basically, okay, head position is 0, 0, tail position is 0. 0, 0. And then visited positions is a set that contains the current tail position. That's currently 1. And then, okay, basically, okay, like say that movements. Okay, no, movements is file data dot split by new line. Um. And then movement form. And that will be okay. Parse movement. Raw movement. Then okay. Direction. Well, raw direction and raw amount equals raw movement dot split and then amount is int direction is so right is +1 0. Left is -1 0. Up, down. Okay. So here for movement in movements. Okay, direction amount is movement. And I guess the head position is now like head position 0 plus direction 0. Okay, head position. But this would be times amount. Yeah, but instead of having the amount here, it makes more sense for yes. And then, okay, visited positions dot add tail position. And now, after smoothing the rope, okay. If the head is ever 2 steps directly up, down, left, or right from the tail must also move 1 step in that direction so it remains close enough. Okay, so basically is same row equals head position. Well, same is same one equals head position. 0 equals tail position. 0 is same row. Okay, if is same column or is same row. Then the same thing should happen to the tail position. But only if they're not overlapping, right? So if not, well, if head position is not the same as tail position, or if they're not touching, right? So because now that's already too much, actually. So head position, tail position, and total distance is position 1 minus position 1. Okay, so if total distance is at least 2, okay. So diagonal movement should be basically, okay. Head position minus tail position in the same axis, but it needs to be divided by ups of that, so that it is 0 or 1 or minus 1. Print diagonal movement. Okay, so now I just need to do the same logic here, but for the no. Should be diagonal movement. It's 16, but why? Also, it seems like the same logic could be potentially used to remove all the other logic. But let's see what's wrong here. Initial state, age, okay. R4, so yes. 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 Zero, 1, 2. 3. But it was 4 up, 4 right. So it's 1, 2, 4, but it's 0, 1, 2. So that's 5 steps. 1, 2, 3. What? 2, 3. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's already 4. Already 4 movements. Wait. It's all good. It's all good. Because that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all good. So now up 4. So it's 4, 4, 1. So this is a faulty logic here because of total distance. It's not total distance, it's just distance. And this is not... Okay, this is max of... Okay, now it's 13 positions. So I get my puzzle input. That's the right answer. A rope snaps and the river is getting a lot closer than you remember. The bridge is still there, but some of the ropes that broke are now whipping toward you as you fall through the air. The ropes are moving too quickly to grab you. You have a few seconds to choose how to arc your body to avoid being hit. Fortunately, your smashing can be or longer ropes. One knot is still the head of the rope and moves according to the series of motions. Each knot is further down the rope and follows the knot in front of it using the same rules as before. So can I actually simplify it if I do... this 6,498. Okay, so here will that work? So that does not work like that, so we need those complicated rules. What's the final? Question. How many positions did the tail of the rope? Okay. So basically now I can now I can take it to be kind of, okay, like rope positions equals an array. Well, it should be basically just 0, 0 times what is it, like 1, 2. So it's 10 because there's the head and then the 9 things. And then visited positions, it starts as 0, 0 in the set. So now, somehow, this needs to be for I in range. Well, no. I mean, at least this part for in range 10. No, it will be 9. I don't know. But here, okay, it's not head position, this is rope positions 0. And then in this case, though, it should not be head position, it should be, I don't know. What? Position should be parent position and well, I don't know, just limit parent. whatever. Okay, parent position equals row positions 0. No, row positions I. Then my position. So this should clearly be 9. And then row positions is +1. Okay, my position. Okay, is same column tail position. So here it's my position. Then here tail position is being moved. So here it's I mean, I could say it's my position. But this one I have to change to rope positions I +1. And this will be okay. Head position should be parent. And then tail position should be my position. So basically here it's going to be the same thing, row positions I +1. But this is coming out here. And it should be rope positions 0 and rope positions 9, and this should add rope positions 9. Tail position is not defined. Now if I put back the sample data, it should not be like that for sure. Visited positions. Like for the sample, it should be "36 positions, including S at least once." What if I put rope positions 8 here? Rope positions 1. Ah, okay, 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 okay. Very makes sense. Except, okay, that's... Head. 1, 2, 3. What is where's 4, 5? 5 courses. So that's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. But this is... Ah, okay, this is a different example. Here's a larger... Okay, 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 okay. I was looking at the wrong example. "36 positions, so something's wrong." But now... I mean, I could try to... Well... No, for... No, for... range. I'm not print... Okay, string line equals print line if okay, the equals dot line C so if Okay, for I enumerate H 1, 2, 3. If mm, if what should it be? If rope positions I equals X and Y and C equals S. Yeah, well, okay, let's start with that one. Actually, let's put the visited positions. Okay, if X and Y in visited positions, then C equals hash mark. So actually the shape looks fine. Well, not really. Somehow it's rotated or something. But that's probably because it's a different interpretation of the directions, which should not change the final value. I think. Oh, it's too much to buffer. Okay, so I don't know. Head number 400. Wait, what? What? That's that. But it should be somehow reversed. So that's head. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, H. Next one should be like this. What? I think that, well, okay, up. Oh, okay, up should be -1, down should be +1. Which doesn't really change much, but let's see. So this is so far correct. The next one, left 8. Okay, we can also put the, like, if x, y equals 0, 0, c equals start. Okay, it's marked. Let's skip this part for now. So that seems totally correct. Down 3. It's correct. Okay, that one's weird. So that's right 17. How can, okay, down 3 is correct. And then right 17. It's like the rope kind of goes through itself. But still, man, this should not be possible. So basically, for me, the rope breaks somehow. And I mean, after that, it's no longer broken, but now it's in the not in the correct position. Individual steps are not shown. But why is this 2? It should be 1, right? But now it's 96. Oh, no, it is 2. Because they are touching if the distance is not at least 2. And if they're either in the same column or same row. Same column or same row. But why can't I do this? Other than this division by 0 problem. And that should be Python function. And basically this should be sign, and then instead of doing that thing with the apps, I can say sign of x is zero, except if x is less than 0, then it's -1. If x is more than 0, then it's +1. Oh, okay, 36. So actually I didn't need that extra logic in the end. And I will not need this either. That's the right answer.